In this video, we're going to check out the Saker cordless plastic welder. Oh yeah! Hey guys, this is Josh and welcome to Oxman DIY. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more tool review content just like this. So in today's video, we're going to be unboxing and doing an honest review of the Saker cordless plastic welder kit. Alright, so this is the cordless plastic welder by Saker. This retails for about $49.99. This has a 90-day money-back guarantee. This has adjustable temperature settings for different types of plastics. Has a ergonomical grip. Has a nice trigger on there. Complete repair kit with tools and has different types of staples for all those different types of angles. This will work on different types of plastics such as ABS, PP, and PVC. This is perfect for automotive parts, household plastics, toys, tools, and appliances. Alright, so here's everything that comes in the kit. As you can see, here is the plastic welder, and this is wireless, which is really nice. And as you can see, you got this little heads-up display right here. Lets you know the battery when it's working. Has a little LED light on there. Just a really nice ergonomical device tool, and it has a nice trigger to it. Next, you're going to get some snips. So if you need to cut off the ends of your little plastic welders, you're going to get this utility knife, which is almost like an X-Acto utility knife, very sharp. You get a little file for high spots on the welding process. You're going to get 4 different types of little welding tips, and here's like a flat wavy, here's like a pointed, here's like a big wavy, and then here's kind of like an angled arch one right there. Comes in these 4 little containers so you keep them organized, and then you're going to get the manual for all of the instructions for this product. And then lastly, comes with this really nice carrying case with the locking tabs. Alright, so I'm going to be using this product on this plastic wheel liner. You'll find these in a lot of cars to protect a lot of the fender well with the wire looms and electronics and whatnot. So on this plastic wheel liner, there's a nice little crack right here. I'm going to go ahead and try and repair that crack right there. Alright, so we got it all charged up, and I'm going to be using this clip right here. It's kind of wavy, and what you want to do is you want to place it right in these slots on either side. Just like that. Alright, so next it says press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. So we're going to do that. Okay, and that turns it on. The power indicator and LED light were turned on, and then after that you want to press and hold the trigger to heat for 3 to 5 seconds to start operation. A flashing yellow light will indicate if the battery is overheating, so you want to stop using it. Alright, so we're going to do our first one. We're going to press and hold. Oh no. What did I do? Okay, so we're going to try again. I think that first one, I put that clip in there too tight. Now it's on there kind of loose. So I'm going to try again. Damn, what am I doing wrong here? Okay, let's try again. So I think this time I'm just gonna leave it in there and let it cool. I'm gonna blow on it. Because I think when I was trying to pull it out, it was still like, it didn't cure, it didn't get hardened again. So we're just gonna wait. Okay, so we're gonna slowly take it out, and there you go. There, that was better. So make sure you don't pull it out when it's all soft like that. So this is nice. It's got a little LED light on it. So if you're kind of doing these in low light or something, it gives you that illumination. Also, when you're doing this, I think you're supposed to twist it just a little bit, and then you let it cool, and then you pull it out. So you're just going to give it a little twist. Oh crap, I went all the way through. Darn it. That's the other thing too, is you don't want to push it too hard or it'll go all the way through the plastic, come out right through it. All right, so we're gonna let this cool off a little bit, and then we're gonna put some JB Weld epoxy over it. But before that, we're gonna snip off all of these little studs right here that was inserted into the gun. So we're gonna snip these off, we're gonna let it cool off, we're gonna snip all these off, and then we're gonna put some JB Weld on both sides, and then we're gonna let it cure. When you're snipping these off, these little studs, when they come off, it's little projectiles. So make sure you're wearing some eye protection. All right, so we got some JB Weld epoxy. We're going to be putting this on here like that. I'm going to use all of it. I just want to mix this together. All right, so we're going to apply the JB Weld right in here. Nice and thick. Typically use a popsicle stick, but making do with what I got currently laying around the garage. All right, so JB Weld typically takes about 6 minutes to harden, but I like to wait 24 hours before messing with it. The kit does come with a nice little file, so if you need to file down any high spots, and then it comes with this utility knife. It's almost like an X-Acto knife, how sharp that is. So if you need to cut off any excess epoxy or whatnot, or kind of trim it on the sides, you can use the knife for that as well. All right, guys, we're going to wrap up this video with an honest review, and I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5 stars. I really like this product. Your typical plastic welders are going to have a cord on it, and this is cordless, which is really easy. So if you need to travel somewhere and you need to use this without plugging up to an electrical outlet, this is going to be great. It comes with all the tools that you see, and it comes with extra little welding clips. So I really like this product from Saker. So if you guys like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Think about subscribing to Oxman DIY for more tool review videos just like this. If you have any comments or questions, comment down below. I'll answer them the best I can. We'll catch you guys on the next one. This is Josh with Oxman DIY.